Hey everyone, every day we are one step closer to spring, and I for one cannot wait. So in the March-April issue of Garden Gate magazine, you'll find lots of things to get you excited about spring as well. To start with, we have some spring containers that you can start planting as soon as you can get out to the garden center. These are plants that take cool weather and they'll look great even through a little bit of frost. In addition, we have some great reader tips, including how to protect your plants from rabbits this spring, and also how to turn a wine rack into a cool planter. As always, you'll find lots of great plants in Garden Gate magazine. In this issue, we're sharing several multi-season shrubs that we think have great flowers, foliage, bark, stems, all kinds of things. And also colorful Veronica, which I just cannot wait to see again this summer. And not only do we introduce you to a bunch of varieties that we think you should grow, but we'll show you how to grow them as well. We also take an inspiring tour with Ruby Andrews in her garden, and she'll show us how she not only deals with stone, but celebrates it. And she has lots of beautiful Japanese maples and texture and paths and water features. It's something you'll just definitely want to see. And Jennifer shows us 7 plants she always starts from seed no matter what. And we have a fun quiz to help you decide what your gardening style is. As always, you'll find reader questions answered and exclusive garden plans in every issue. If you're not a subscriber, you can find this issue on the newsstand or in the Garden Gate store.